Collision avoidance. Systems. Automated cars are equipped with advanced collision avoidance systems that use sensors such as radar, LiDAR, cameras, and ultrasonic sensors to detect obstacles in their path. Constant monitoring. These systems continuously monitor the car's surroundings, including other vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and stationary objects. Real-time analysis. Automated cars analyze data from sensors in real time to predict potential collision risks and take preventive actions. 360-degree awareness. These vehicles have a 360-degree awareness of their surroundings, allowing them to detect threats from all directions and take appropriate evasive actions. Emergency maneuvers. In critical situations, automated cars can perform emergency maneuvers, such as swerving or changing lanes to avoid collisions while ensuring the safety of occupants and other road users. Redundant systems. Automated cars often incorporate redundant systems and fail-safe mechanisms to ensure continued operation in the event of sensor failures or technical malfunctions. Driver monitoring. Some automated cars employ driver monitoring systems to ensure the emergency braking. If the system detects an imminent collision, it can automatically apply the brakes to prevent or mitigate the impact. Lane departure warning. Many automated cars have lane departure warning systems that alert the driver if the vehicle drifts out of its lane without signaling. Adaptive cruise control. This feature maintains a safe following distance from the vehicle ahead and can adjust the car's speed accordingly. Traffic sign recognition. Automated cars can recognize traffic signs, including speed limits, stop signs, and traffic signals, helping to prevent violations and accidents. Object detection. Automated cars can detect and track various objects, including vehicles, pedestrians, and cyclists, even in low visibility conditions, such as darkness or fog. Communication with other vehicles. Some automated cars can communicate with each other and with infrastructure elements like traffic lights to enhance safety and prevent accidents. Human supervision. Despite these advanced features, human supervision is still crucial when using automated cars to intervene in unexpected situations or technical failures. Can educate viewers about the safety measures implemented in automated cars to prevent accidents and promote trust in this emerging technology.